Hello everybody and welcome. In this quick video, we'll show you how to display and do calculations using fractions in Excel. This will come in handy for the people who work in fields like health, science, carpentry, cooking, interior design, and other similar lines of work. Let's kick things off by learning how to properly enter fractions into Excel, since if you don't know how it works, it might catch you off guard. Now for starters, it's true. We can type in a whole number followed by a fraction and Excel will accept it. Yet, let's say we want to enter just 2/3 into a cell, or maybe 7/16. When we press enter, you'll notice that Excel converts that fraction into a date, and that creates obvious frustration and confusion. So to fix this, we have a few options. The first method is to type your number so that Excel will recognize it as a fraction. And we can do that by typing a leading zero, followed by a fraction, and then you'll see that when we press enter, everything will cooperate. The problem is that most people don't like that method, so a better way to work with fractions in Excel is to apply a fraction cell format ahead of time, since it makes your life easier and avoid such headaches like numbers from calculations not displaying properly. Let's start by selecting our range, and then we'll go up here and click on this icon, or we can press Ctrl+1 to launch the Format Cells dialog box. Next, look for fractions over here on the left-hand side, and then click it. And your best bet is to go with the up to 2 digits format, since that is the most common. We'll click OK. Now, when we type in our fractions, with or without a leading number, we're all set. From here, doing calculations is straightforward. For instance, let's say we want to add 15 3/7 plus 6 4/5. As long as the cells are formatted properly, we can simply just add up the numbers and everything will cooperate. The same holds true with subtraction. Let's say we want to subtract 7 1/3 minus 3 5/6. We can simply build our formula using the subtraction method, and Excel will take care of the heavy lifting. Now, let's say we want to multiply. Say 4 1/2 multiplied by 2 3/5. Just build the formula, multiply things out, and there you go. And let's wrap up with division. Say we want to divide 10 1/3 by 3 4/5. Just build the formula, press enter, and there we go. All right, and that'll do it for this one. We hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.